Welcome my subscribers and welcome to Marine Geek YouTube channel. And here we are for next video on Bharat Kosh, how to pay anything, all the fees, receipt for your DG shipping, MMD, NTRP or Bharat Kosh website, how to use it, where to use it, when to use it, all detailed video just for you. So let's begin with the video. So write Bharat Kosh on the Google search or just go to bharatkosh.gov.in, or you can even search for NTRP, that is your non-tax receipt portal made by the government of India, where we will pay everything for our MMD or DG related payments issues over here. So there are three ways by which we can pay, that is by clicking the non-registered user link or quick payment link, or the normal one, the longer process of logging in, registering yourself first and then paying through your profile. As an example over here, I will be showing you a quick payment. So we'll click on the quick payment link. It will go to the next page. So over here it will ask you about the ministry, department and the purpose. So over here there will be a lot of government ministries. We have to scroll down and select 088 shipping ministry, or the department will be shipping. Click and it will refresh depending upon your internet connection, as the website is very slow. So on the purpose, you will click and you will be able to see many things over here, and you have to select as other receipts payable to P&O accounts Mumbai. This is for your high voltage removal purpose, but if you want to pay for MMD Mumbai for exam, then you have to select as exam fee payable. You can see over here that payment type is payment to MMD Mumbai. So whichever MMD comes under MMD Mumbai will also be listed there. As you can see that MMD Mangalore or Kandla, Goa, etc. Check all the details, all okay. Select and click on the how much amount you have to pay. So for high voltage limitations removal, it is 3000 rupees. So just pay the 3000 rupees. So for example purpose, I will write here as 1 rupee. Mention your name and for what purpose you are paying this particular money. Put the captcha code over here and then click on the next button over here, and it will save all the details. As you can see, you are just to press the next button over here and it will go to your profiling details. So I will just fast forward this particular thing, as you can fill it on your own name and address, etc. Write your mobile number and email ID, the dedicated one where you require all your OTPs in the future, which would be the correct one. No spelling mistakes and no wrong numbers to be added over here, otherwise you will not get OTP in the future. And just after typing this, just go to the same captcha code at the bottom and press next. So the screen changes and you will be seeing all your saved details on the top, the transaction details in the center, and again you will have the captcha code. And over here you will be able to see two major things, links. The one on the left is given as save, while on the right it is said as confirm. So I will first show you what happens when you confirm the transaction. So we are proceeding with the transaction over here. This is the payment gateway. So you can use any gateway. I chose HDFC Bank. You can have any amount of transaction online, UPI, credit card, debit card. So you can just select anyone in where you want to do the transactions. I'm not going into details in that. And I chose UPI. and this is just giving you an idea how the interface works. I paid 1 rupee using UPI to MMD Mumbai, and everything was all okay. Network was good, OTP came. This particular screenshot you will be able to see when it waits for the OTP. Once I put the OTP over here, it gives you the transaction details as success or fail. So over here it is success. You can see at the middle of the page that it is success. You can even download your transaction receipt over here. Just click on it and save it wherever you want as the transaction receipt, which you have to produce it in printed form when you are going to go to MMD for any purpose, be it exam or for high voltage. Coming back to the same page where there is a saved transaction, the one which is on the left, the green color button link. So over here it just saves your details, and this particular one is like you have made the profile but you don't want to pay right now, so it has gone to a saved transaction details, and you have to go to track payment or transaction history. The tracking will be done using your mobile number, email, so put that clearly whatever you have mentioned in while the transaction was happening. And as the same thing happens before, write the captcha code over there and press send OTP depending upon your network and how much the OTP comes over here. Fill in the OTP when the page refreshes. I will fast forward. So once the OTP is generated, type in the OTP in this particular blank column. Click on verify OTP over here. It will go on to the next page, the same page of tracking your transactions. Just scroll down and click search. The transaction will be on active basis. You can see over here the transaction over here. So just click on the link and you will be returning back to the same page where we had seen before continuing this particular transaction, where we wanted to transact. Just write the captcha code over here and continue, and the remaining process is going to be the same as shown before. Please like and subscribe the video if you haven't done so far. I hope this particular video has cleared all your doubts with respect to Bharat Kosh procedures or for NTRP portal usage. You can use absolutely every mode of payment transactions, including NEFT and RTGS. The complete FAQs and how to use the offline method, that is your NEFT RTGS, along with your online payment. All the PDFs are there for you to download. Just click on the link given in the description of this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Your likings will motivate me and YouTube will always recommend this for further mariners who are facing this kind of issues. Stay safe, stay secure. Thank you very much.